We finally get to see page number 79, 29, 35, 47, 59, 69, 78.
अरे अरे अरे
Excuse me.
To understand why page 79 is invisible, we first need to understand
What is this book about? Okay, to be completely honest, even we don't know how to describe this book. It's not a quiz book and it's not even a facts book. It's a bit of both, but it's so much more.
oh my god,
God.
so big.
Wow. Wow. This is so huge. This is so big. Every great book starts with a map, and so does this one. Throughout this book, you will be on a journey on this island with Nippu, Momo, and the spirit of this island, our hero, our guide. It's a curious cat called Cypher. I can see a plate. This is all in the book.
Oh my god.
This is all in the book. See a burning question over there.
Oh, so that's a plate. Curiosity is not order. It is chaos.
That is why this book's content page is different from anybody else. It's Bounce Anywhere guide. So you can open any page, read that page and tick as you go. Eventually you'll realize, hey, you have marked all of these pages. The book would be done. You choose the order. Wow. And finally the page gets printed. Here are all the pages getting printed.
Oh my god.
Doston, these are burning questions. These are different games. This black page is looking so gorgeous. There's a small cat's paw, Cypher's paw, which are do not miss these pages. It's our recommendation. You do not miss at least these pages. All of this is printed. This is going in this folding machine, और ये पूरा fold होके एक पैकेट बन के इधर आ जाता है. So this is our book.
से दिख गई थी कि
Page by page they are
design
going
तो हमारी
in.
बुक में है.
All of this is what the what.
You little curious cat have bought this book out of your curiosity. This book will also reward you for your curiosity. There are 8 totems which you can collect, and there are many more you can collect from this QR code. Now these totems will tell you what you are an expert of. For example, if you think you know India very well, then you get a Desi Pookie totem if you go through these pages, page 5, page 185, page 51. If you read them all, you get a Desi Pookie totem.
अभी तक जो भी देखा था डिजिटल स्क्रीन पे देखा था फर्स्ट टाइम. Now these are all folded books. इनको बाइंड होना बचा है. These are all folded books.
Totem. My favorite one, personal favorite, is this Trollver totem. It has some troll problems. If you read these 3 pages, you get a Trollver totem, which means आपका दिमाग थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा सा है. What is this? I think वो कुछ गलत print हुआ था इधर.
Okay, तो ये waste है. This was during the preparation. Okay, this is a souvenir. This book has 9 themes.
And each theme has many different games.
So there's something for everyone.
Oh my god.
Look at your teeth, man. Just look at your teeth. And look at my teeth. Both are teeth. Yet they are so different.
Let's not forget the fact that ultimately हम हैं तो content creators. We could not control ourselves while writing. We wanted to share more trivia beyond this book, and that's why this book also has a lot of QR code in random places. These QR code के लिए we've recorded special 24 extra videos which only you reading the book can access via the QR code, and it has more trivia loaded in it.
यहाँ पे हमारे बुक के कवर प्रिंट्स हो रहे हैं इस मशीन में. तो दीज प्रिंटिंग मार्क्स अभी उस मशीन ने ऐसे रीड किया ऐसे करके दैट वेरीफाइड कि भाई ये जो वैल्यू हमें यहाँ मिली है वही हमारी डिजिटल फाइल में वैल्यू होनी चाहिए टू गेट द राइट कलर्स. द कलर्स हैज़ बीन मैच्ड. क्या स्पीड से आ रहा है यार. व्हाट स्पीड. नाउ कमिंग टू द मेन कंटेंट ऑफ द बुक, जहाँ पे पेज नंबर 79 भी कहीं छुपा हुआ है. हमने आपको बोला था कि every single page is handcrafted because every page is not just content. उस कंटेंट के ऊपर भी ना रैंडम नोट्स हैं, ऐसे सब कुछ दिखा नहीं सकते हम, ऐसे कुछ नोट्स लगे हुए हैं. सो थ्रू आउट द बुक यू विल रीड द मेन कंटेंट एंड देन उस कंटेंट से निकलने वाले यू विल रीड मोर कंटेंट, मार्जिन नोट्स. सो आप एक चीज़ पढ़ रहे हो, उस चीज़ को जान रहे हो, देन उस चीज़ के बारे में कुछ और भी जान रहे हो. ओह, इट्स जस्ट टक 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 रैबिट होल. ओह, निप्पो यू कैन टच इट.
Soft touch.
हाँ, दिस इज सो कूल. ये लेमिनेशन फिल्म लगी हुई है इसके ऊपर इधर.
कितने साफ दिख रहे हैं हम.
हाँ, दिस सैंपल इज अप्रूव्ड. अब छपेंगी. With a book like this, you would learn something and you would immediately want to search more about it. But as soon as you pick up your phone, start Googling, you go away from the book. So, at the very end, there are pages where you can take notes for later. This is one assembled book. This folding book. वहाँ से इधर आ रही है, उस साइड से बुक आ रही है, इस साइड से कवर आ रहे हैं, तो इधर से कवर आ रहा है, उधर से बुक आ रही है, एंड टुगेदर इधर से फाइनली बाइंड होकर दोस्तों द बुक इज हियर. फाइनली पेज नंबर 79. पेज नंबर 79 वहाँ पे ना होना इज नॉट अ
Mistake.
but it is a
Mystery.
it's a mystery. We could not write a book about quizzes, puzzles, mystery without making the book itself a quiz, a puzzle and a mystery. Page number 79 is hidden somewhere in the book, outside of the book, in the real world, we don't know. On page number 78 you will find this: to the world it must be blind, only the worthy shall find. इसके आगे और भी है that we have hidden. You will get to read the entire puzzle, entire mystery when you open the book. And the award for this mystery solving is that you get to read page number 79. Only the worthy shall find, not everybody. Only the worthy.
The book will be out across all bookstores, online, offline, everywhere from November 25th.
But if you want the signed copies of the book, that will be exclusively available on whatthewhat.co, the official website of the book. But if you're ordering the book from whatthewhat.co and you're ordering before November 20th, you will also get some free goodies. वो क्या है? These two exclusively designed bookmarks. This is not even a bookmark. It's an invitation to Markbook, a place where you can track your reading. So I'm hiding how the instructions to join this place. You'll get only when you pre-order the book. And you also get this jumbo crossword. I don't know, it's something. You'll get to know exactly what this is.
Yeah. That comes free right now.
For free. 15 से पहले करोगे तो ऑलमोस्ट गारंटीड आपको बुक
मिल जाएगी जल्दी
विद द गुडीज, और 15 के बाद करोगे तो बुक गुडीज मिल जाएंगे आपको. बट हो सकता है एक दो दिन लेट हो जाए.
ठीक है.
ओके.
Okay, bye, love you. देखो हम तो ऑथर है, we will only have nice things to say about our book, full bias.
आपको मानना नहीं माना तो आपकी मर्जी, लेकिन अब इनकी बात तो सुनो.